In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Since I am testing smartphones almost every day, I always recommend to change default apps to the ones you like the most. For example, if you are not a fan of Chrome browser, you can change it within seconds. To do it now, go into Play Store and download new apps. I will go with Firefox, just for example. When your new app is ready, you can exit Play Store and go into Devices settings. Now tap on Apps. Trust me, I tested it on this and many other devices. And scroll a tiny bit to hit Default Apps under General. Now, to change any app, click on one of those sections. As I mentioned before, I want to change my browser, so I have to click here on Browser App. Tap on an app you wanna apply, in my case Firefox, and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!